Okay, many of you have been asking, finding many courses that you are attending difficult to follow up. Like you either forget or the memory fades away and you don't get benefited from the courses that you are attending or the summits that you are attending or even the best of the best YouTube videos that you see. It's not making any difference in your bank account. So today we are going to solve that problem. For that, we are going to look at divineteams.ai. So um, once you connect divineteams.ai and go to either you can start for free and have the 7-day free trial and go to Hermes and you will see the Hermes desktop, that is remote desktop, like where your personal data is your personal and the remote desktop runs on the remote VPS and you just are a usage of it and you are only getting benefited from it without having to compromise any of your local information, right? So you go to Hermes desktop, you install that and you will choose whether to install the Mac OS or Windows version for it. And once you have that installed, you will have a Hermes desktop like this. And inside the Hermes desktop, you will find the gateway, choose the remote gateway, enter the remote URL that is given in the divineteams.ai. You will find the remote URL, and as well as you can generate your own key, which is very critical for you to access this. So you enter the session token, save and connect, and you have a look at what to accomplish. If you have no clue what to do with the agencies, to type in recipes/recipes and you will see a bunch of commands coming in with this, right? With predefined recipes that are available to build the SaaS, to build the audio, ebooks, courses, and everything. So, and it will be customized. Like when you are writing your title or what you do, this recipe will personalize and for you, for me it is personalized and saying get first 100 customers plan, competitor pay down, right? Referral program, launch the divine factory, right? So and the common recipes as well ready to run, like YouTube to study guide. Let's take the this one of the recipes and do that, right? For anything like recipes, YouTube to learning doc, and let's take a YouTube video, one of the YouTube video. Say I want to learn one of the tool, that is Factory AI, and what are these droids. I can just simply give this the slash recipe and the YouTube to learning doc, and any recipe you can give. That means code, email sequence, referral program. Explain it to me like I'm 5. Explain it to me like I'm 10. Right? So, yeah, monthly investors. So these are all customized for me, but you can list down the many other recipes that you want to cook, and the ingredients cannot be sold. Like the AI credits is a ingredient. Harness, that is this harness is an ingredient. API keys tools are ingredients, right? Like you bring in all that together so that you can prepare a dish which people can relish, right? So that is the whole concept of this divine teams, like where you are supported by the relevant teams, and yes, as I give this and so yeah, it gave me a markdown file, but I can ask, okay, give me uh, readable PDF. Okay. So my PDF is ready and I can open this either via downloads, or I can even ask it to open it in the browser mode. Either way. So yeah, here it is, Droid by Factory AI, the study guide. Converting the YouTube video into a study guide of a particular topic, like where I can simply say what's Droid, and it's a coding agent like Cursor, created by Factory AI. That means it supports 20 million free tokens upon sign up, and um, create an account, model selections, which all models I can select, right? Key features, that means auto approval, or even no risky changes, act upon approvals, or act without approvals, all that you can use. Plan modes, um, yeah, so YOLO mode for full permissions, and cursor advantages over cursor code is it's better in UI and all that. Okay, so this will help me make my usage appropriate, like when to use the factory, and when to use the cursor code, or even cloud code, or anti-gravity, or even VS code, or even Pi, or all this, right? So main takeaways I can apply is multi-droid workflows. That means running multiple AI assistants simultaneously. So better if you use the GLM model, which can spawn the agents and everything. Yeah, that is simple. I had to spend 5 minutes to just understand and get this get learned what it is, right? So you can do this for any courses, or you can do this for convert this into a 30-day plan, dashboard. Convert this into a dashboard with 30-day plan to master and cook projects, right? Solving real problems in the world. Let's see if it is able to. My goal, like the prompt engineering is that, like right now, the more complex prompts you give, it will the LLMs are no more dumb, right? It's more intelligent. It has become amazing now. So I will say, give me a web dashboard. So it's like right now it runs on the goals. That means you give the goals and it will get that accomplished, no matter in the ways that you know or in the ways that it knows the better. It is simple. The all the complex things need to be break down into small atomic tasks, which can be done every day and which can be measured every day. And you have a KPI indicators and performance dashboards where you see every day 1% or 10 emails going, outbound emails going, 10 blogs being written, like one Instagram reel being posted, right? So it's the performance be that KPI shows where are you headed, are you headed towards your North Star, like whatever. Our North Star is having 711 businesses being run, right? Completely as AI first businesses. And one of the business is the Divine Teams AI, where it supports for the solopreneurs, I take those problems which I currently struggle and solve it for other 100 entrepreneurs, such that like it becomes a solution, and in the process I also get benefited, right? So that is my whole um, theme inside of which I operate. If something is not working for me, I am struggling with something that requires a solution to be built, not a answer to be for myself, right? So yeah, the dashboard is ready, the Droid dashboard, the Droid Mastery dashboard, um, 30-day challenge, 5 major projects, gives you the beautiful checklist, week 1, week 2, install Droid on your systems. Um, yeah, this is beautiful, and real world projects, AWS outage. So this is spent like, starter metrics to track everything, right? So this is perfect, and you can do this for any courses that you take. You can do it for any things that you are learning. Um, See that at the end of the day, it is about the comparison between the yesterday you and today's you, or today's you and tomorrow's you, right? That is the only thing. Um, that are you developing 1%? Are you developing from where you were yesterday? Are you developing? Are you solving that problem that exists in the market? And are you enjoy the entrepreneurship? So hope you liked it, and if you had a questions, or if you want anything to be implemented, drop a comment in the below, or DM me. I'm more than happy. See, all this that has happened is not because I'm intelligent, or I know technology, or I'm as stupid, right, as 8-year-old, right? So, but what I believe in is AI is very intelligent, and going to the intelligent and getting the work done. Finding the intelligent agent, finding the intelligent tool, and getting it done. So that's more of entrepreneurship. Earlier, people used to find the right people to get it done. Now we have the right agents to get it done. Yeah, I will come up with many more of the such videos, many more recipes to be implemented. But yeah, do give me inputs on what you are looking for, what problem, what bottleneck exists for your businesses that you want me to solve. Yeah, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.